Hello there, Instagram enthusiasts. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding multiple photos to your Instagram story. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen or swipe right anywhere in your feed. Step 3. Look for the layout icon on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Tap the gallery icon at the bottom left corner to take a series of photos or select photos from your gallery. You can also change the grid layout if desired. Step 5. Once you have selected the photos, tap the check icon to proceed. Step 6. Finally, tap Your Story located in the bottom left corner to add the multiple photos to your Instagram story. And there you have it. You've successfully added multiple photos to your Instagram story. Feel free to get creative and engage your followers with captivating visuals. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.